I do a little tuna salad for lunch today. So I took 1 can of Star-Kissed chunk light tuna, water packed, and I boiled some eggs. I actually boiled some extras to make potato salad in a day or two, but I took 2 boiled eggs, large boiled eggs, and I chopped up some pickles, some homemade pickles that I made earlier this year, and it's approximately 2 tablespoons of chopped pickles that I put into 1 can of tuna and the 2 boiled eggs, and 1 tablespoon of Duke's mayonnaise. Now you can use any kind of mayonnaise that you like, but I just prefer Duke's. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Stir that up, and it's really good either on bread for a sandwich, or today I'm eating it with some focaccia bread that I bought this morning at a local bakery. So I'm about to have my lunch now. I hope you'll join me. If you found this video to be helpful, please share it with someone who you think would enjoy it.